Alright, I've recorded this like 3 times already. I'll freaking try my best. So, coming into market open, bro, I was honestly expecting some bearish momentum just because, or actually it was bullish, I'm pretty sure. Because ES was leading to the upside. Anyways, there was a lot of chop motion today. We didn't have really much news. I think it was just NFP at like 6 a.m. But you can see ES, bro, just chopping for a minute. So I didn't really even expect much. But yeah, there was an SMT. They were like to 950. Yeah, there was an SMT somewhere around here. 950. I don't know. I guess I could have selected all of these lows if I really wanted to. But I don't know if this goes around the SMT. I don't know if that means it's valid or not. 740. Yeah, I literally could have even had this too if I wanted. But I was about to go short somewhere around here, but honestly, okay. Before we took out the liquidity, I wasn't gonna take a 5-minute SMT all the way down straight up to these lows, like no liquidity and just an SMT on its own. That just, I don't know. I just wanted something like some more confluence. Plus, with all this chop on ES, bro, like, not a chance. So I was kind of like disregarding that. But after we did take liquidity, I was open to at least like a 5-minute inverse and then still going down. But when this candle formed, is that 10 a.m. 10:05? Yeah, I waited for the 1 hourly candle to complete, and we ended up creating a 1 hour SMT. From Tuesday at 11. Yeah, Tuesday at 11. Right there. And then that's kind of when the volume picked up for ES as well. Here, let me just delete that. Okay. So, with the 1 hour bullish confluence, bro, no matter what, like this liquidity, I don't really care. It's just such a high time frame confluence. It's like I'm just going to go long. And I was looking for a 5-minute continuation up since we're clearly in bullish order flow, which, hang on, that was created right here, even though it's tiny. Scale down. Just wait for that to tap. Bro. Did we not tap it, dude? Hang on, let me check my phone. Am I tripping? No way. Okay, it was this one, my bad. That's my fault. Whoops. Yeah, so literally right when that hourly candle formed, right there, we were inside of this 5-minute fair value gap. Right here. This, oh, move up, down. This break of structure, honestly, like, look at this candle. What is that? 0.0%? Yeah, that's just not enough for me to go long. Because this 5-minute confluence, 1-minute confluence, doji candle, not really too great. So I ended up looking at this mini fair value gap again, another continuation confluence, and then from there I went long. Let me see my exact stops and everything. What candle was it? Sorry, one sec. It's all on my phone. I just have two different accounts. Okay, 22,728. Damn. I got filled pretty high. And my stop was like right there. Then my TP, I went for this. I didn't think. When I was looking at it on my phone, I have another job, so I was like on the golf course trying to hurry up. I thought my RR was a lot higher, like literally like this, like a 1.7. But it was right there. If I knew it was only a 1.4, I would have kept it going. I saw price hesitating and it looked like a big move. So I ended up closing somewhere like, where was it? Like right there. No. Hold up. Yeah, I was literally right there. So I wouldn't have closed right there. I kind of would have just held because I was at break even anyways. I ended up trailing my stop loss underneath this low just because, I'm not trying to take a loss. But anyways, 5-minute confluence, 1-minute continuation after a 1 hour SMT, 2 1 hour highs. We also completely were filling this 1 hour fair value gap, so that kind of scared me when we were like hesitating so heavily. I was like, I'll just take the profits where the profits are given. So it was probably about like this candle or something. I saw this 1 minute equilibrium get continued right here, but when we just literally on this candle we just kept going down, I was like, whatever. But I guess that's something for me to learn, especially from it being such a high time frame, like bullish confluence. I guess I could have just held it and kept trailing my stop, but I also was on my phone a lot at my other job, and I'm not really trying to get fired at this point. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I made a 240, like 240.63. I traded 4 contracts. And yeah, I guess that's it.